It's 92.96 million miles from the Earth to the Sun. Enough plastic bottles were sold last year that if stacked end to end, they would stretch halfway to the sun. Now, if that don't get your attention, picture this. Enough plastic ends up in the ocean every year to fill up 5 shopping bags full of plastic for every foot of coastline. Plastic bottle waste is a serious problem. It's not just my problem. It's not just your problem. It's a worldwide problem. Plastic bottle waste is produced at an alarming rate. The staff at Print Wand wrote a blog that says estimates 38 billion bottles end up in U.S. landfills every year. That equates to over 2 million pounds worth of plastic. It's estimated that 8 million metric tons of plastic enter our oceans every year. By the year 2050, there'll be more plastic in our oceans than there are fish. The Guardian wrote an article that says 1 million plastic bottles are sold every minute worldwide. Plastic bottle production uses fossil fuels. A quarter of a bottle of oil it takes to produce 1 plastic bottle. That's enough. In a year's time, it requires 17 million barrels of oil to make enough plastic bottles for a year. That's enough fuel to fuel 1.3 million cars or to power 190,000 homes for a year. There's also health concerns that come from drinking out of plastic bottles. Cancer's been related to drinking water out of plastic bottles, along with other health concerns. Now, there are some solutions. First, we should start recycling. Only 1 out of every 6 bottles gets recycled. Next, we need to buy reusable containers. Start filling up our water from the taps, taking our water with us, and reusing the containers. It's a lot cheaper to get your water out of a tap than it is to buy plastic bottles. It's estimated that each person spends $1,800 a year on water in plastic bottles. Also, we just need to get in the mindset, break the habit. It's very convenient to carry a plastic bottle of water, to go buy a plastic bottle of water. We just need to break the habit and get reusable containers. Now, I'm asking you to join the National Recycling Coalition. Our mission is to partner with, facilitate activities between and among nonprofit organizations, businesses, trade associations, individuals, and the government to maintain prosperous and productive American recycling. Currently, we're affiliated with 21 states. You can donate, you can volunteer, you can help put on fundraisers to help support the coalition. All of this donations and volunteers put on workshops to help develop recycling markets around the country. Now, you might say you don't have time, or it's too much trouble to separate all that plastic for recycling. And to that I say, take the time to recycle, or all of that plastic waste will take time away from all of us. Join the National Recycling Coalition, and together let's start reducing plastic waste worldwide.